Hey guys, Mac Jeffy here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today 3 deliveries have come, so let's see what's inside. So the first one I got is Neon Genesis Evangelion Director's Cut Resurrection. I did already unbox Genesis Reborn, but this one's like really good. So it's a front, spine and the back. So yeah, really good. And this contains episodes 22 to 23, so, oh yeah, I will unbox that soon, so, or something. Okay, next one up is a Penny Crayon keychain. Looks really good, like, Penny Crayon is the best show ever. And last one up is the Melancholy of Haruhi Suzumiya End of Summer card. So yeah, I'm going to. I want to come over too. From the Endless 8 arc of Haruhi. I think there might be like a second card in it. Nah, there's only like this one card, so yeah. Okay, let's see what else is in this Penny Crayon thing. Okay, we've got the little keychain itself. So here she is. Yeah, Penny Crayon's the best show ever. I love Penny Crayon. Okay. We've got some stickers. I believe this is from Demon Slayer or something. I don't know. Some cards. And then some little more stickers. Where did all these stickers come from? I get them for free. Oh, cool. Is that Belle from Beauty and the Beast? That looks really cool. Like a little... I get another keychain. That's right nice. Yeah. Let's just move all these out of the way. And then... Right, now I'm going to unbox the Evangelion Director's Cut Resurrection DVD, because, yeah. I just need to find an opening or something. Oh, here we go. They still have this DVD sealed, like, what the hell? Okay. Just got a finger and maneuver my way around it. Evangelion's one of the best anime ever. I do have a lot of other favourite anime, but sometimes it just comes, when it comes to like most popular anime, it's just this. Oh yeah. Okay. Right, let's see what the disc looks like. 3, 2, 1. It looks good. We've got the Nerve logo, and we've got the Evangelion logo, and the what it says, episodes 21 to 23. I might watch this one along with my Director's Cut Genesis Reborn, which I got. My mum ordered me from CEX. So yeah. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.